In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Talkie moments in form of video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Talkie AI, record your interaction, and save a clean video you can share anywhere. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI. You're looking for the official Talkie AI website in the results. Click through to the site, and once you're on the homepage, pick any character you'd like to talk to. Choose someone who fits the vibe of the moment you want to capture, fun, serious, or anything in between. To turn this interaction into a video, we're going to use OBS, a free screen recording app that many creators use. If you already have OBS on your computer, open it now. In OBS, make sure you're capturing the right screen or window, the one with Talkie AI open. Window capture or display capture. Both work. Choose whichever gives you a clean view of your browser. Also, check your audio sources. You want system audio enabled so the character's voice is recorded, and your microphone on if you want your voice included. A quick tip: wear headphones to prevent echo, and aim for audio levels that peak in the green to low yellow range. Before recording, frame your browser window the way you want it to appear in the final video. Close any distracting tabs or notifications, and maybe zoom your browser in slightly so the character is front and center. When everything looks and sounds good, click. Start recording in OBS. Return to the Talkie AI tab and begin your conversation. Interact naturally, ask questions, react in real time, and let the moment flow. If you make a small mistake, keep going. You can trim the beginning or end later if needed. Keep an eye on your internet connection for smooth audio playback, and try to avoid switching windows while you're recording to keep the final video clean. When you're done, switch back to OBS and click Stop Recording. OBS will save your video file automatically, typically to your videos or movies folder unless you've chosen a custom location. Now you've got a video of your Talkie AI moment, ready to share. You can upload it to social platforms, send it to friends, or drop it into a group chat. If the file is large, consider compressing it before sharing. And if you only want the highlights, a quick trim in any basic editor will do. And that's it. Simple, clean, and ready for your audience to enjoy.